Hi, and welcome to Moto Mouth. I'm Moshe Levy, and it is holiday season 2019. It's time to get together with your family and friends and to enjoy whatever your holiday means to you. Now, many motorcyclists anticipate the holiday season because they look forward to Motorcycle Consumer News Magazine's Holiday Gift Guide, when members of the editorial staff and regular contributors like me pick a few standout products that they've recently tested that make for great presents for the riders in your life. So here are my picks for 2019 in no particular order. In the February 2008 issue of Motorcycle Consumer News magazine, I wrote that Jim Ford's Rider's Workshop course was, quote, nothing less than a complete rediscovery of what makes motorcycling such an incredibly cathartic experience, unquote. I've taken Jim's courses a few times since, and it's only served to confirm my love for them. Ford himself is an accomplished pilot and brings this unique perspective to mastering the serpentine roads of the stunning Appalachian Mountains. Beyond the challenging physical aspects of learning to ride competently, Jim guides his students in a very personal process of tuning into flow, a mental state in which a person is fully immersed in the moment with complete focus. The Rider's Workshop remains my favorite riding course of all, and there's no greater present than a high-level teacher to boost your skill level. This final drive drain plug I got from Beamer Boneyard features a magnet that's reportedly 1,435 times stronger than the OEM drain plug's magnet. The dimple plug is slightly longer than the stock model at 0.83 inches versus 0.63 inches, and it has a bright finish. I'm using this bolt to demonstrate how much stronger the dimple's magnet is versus stock, which means that any metallic debris floating around in the lubricant is much more likely to be trapped before it can do any damage. This plug fits a variety of final drive, engine, and transmission drains on assorted BMW motorcycle models. Check the Beamer Boneyard site for fitment. MSRP is $29. Warman Safe's Cyber Hotseat is essentially a waterproof cushion with internal heating elements that riders can strap onto their stock seats using two integrated Velcro mounting straps. The pad itself measures about 9.5 inches at its widest point towards the rear of the motorcycle and tapers down to about 8 inches towards the front of the motorcycle with an overall length of about 11.5 inches. The bottom of the pad has a gripping material which prevents it from sliding around. A raised push button on the front of the unit allows the rider to toggle between low, medium, and high heat modes. When set to high, the seat draws about 18 watts, and the internal elements reach roughly 127 degrees Fahrenheit. This has an MSRP of $99. So here we are again, another season finale. Thank you guys and girls for watching and interacting with me and sharing my videos. Now, winter is unfortunately nearly here and there is ice on the road, so it's a good time to regroup and get the next batch of products ready for hardcore commuting duty. I'll put a new selection of gear through its paces for the magazine articles, and I'll report back to you in early 2020 on Season 5 of Moto Mouth. Until then, keep the shiny side up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of your favorite moto gear reviews.